Hey folks, it's Vic here, and I just want to make this quick video because we want you to know that we are still trading. Darko continues to put out smashing pre-market analysis videos every single day, and we're having a very good month of trading. And because I got an email asking if we were doing anything different now due to the financial mess, and my answer was, of course, no. We don't need to do anything different. Trading patterns that support resistance the way that we do is all we do, and the results have been like really good. And if you wanted to see the results from October up until a week ago, I think it was, I've posted a link to my weekly trade video. I actually talked about that the week before last, I think, where I showed them in detail, right? So you can check those out. And now the results are even better. So let me show you a couple of trades from today. More importantly, how ridiculously easy it is to follow what Darko is planning to do. All in advance, never ever after the fact, no hindsight trading. Okay, and I'm not going to play the PMA video, the pre-market analysis video, which every Coach's Corner member receives, by the way. They all have access to it. But I'm going to show you, because it just takes longer, I'm just going to show you the premium service screenshot that Darko posts for our premium service members every single day that's based on the PMA video. So not only do those members have the PMA video, but they also have a picture of exactly what to do. Let's have a look. The Aussie New Zealand dollar pair. This is, and I'm talking about March the 17th. Let me just bring this, where is it? Right here. Okay, here's our day trades, swing trades, position trades. Day trade, Australia New Zealand dollar. Okay, set and forget long. What does he say to do here? He's showing all these different levels of support that the market's hitting. The price is hitting these levels. And here is a 1 hour chart. This is our entry time frame for a day trade. He's saying what this means is go down, buy. You want to buy it at the top edge of this box with a stop underneath here for a move to the upside. That's all it means. Super simple. Okay, this trade, the buy was, if I don't know if you can see this number, if you zoom in, it's 105. The buy in here is actually 100.55 because we front run by 2 pips. Okay, it needed a 41 pip stop. Okay, now let's go have a look and see what price happened, or what actually happened. This is the Aussie New Zealand. Here's that same 100.53. Remember we said we front run? If you can go back and have a look. This is where the recording was. This is what happened. Price hit it to the pip. Actually, it went down to 100.53. Remember I said that we front run? 100.55 is the fill. Pretty sweet. With a stop under here. Goes up to here. First reaction level, 101. This is 101.21. That's where we would look. That was plus 66 pips on a 41 pip stop, okay? Are you going to allow a loss on a pair like this? Like, this is a counter trend trade. Somebody actually asked me recently, do we take counter trend trades? Yeah, we do for sure. If there is a valid setup. But be very, very careful and manage these trades more tightly because you're fighting the higher time frame pressure. If I show you the daily chart, does that look bullish to you? That's terrible. But we had a good setup at that level down there, so we can take those. You look at the weekly chart. This is like falling off a cliff. Okay, so you can take them, but you got to know what you're doing. EURCAD was another one that we had today, and let's just go back to these screenshots. Here's the EURCAD potential set and forget short. Click on that. Okay, we're at all of this resistance, monthly, weekly, daily. This is what we do, right? And he's looking for price to come down, create some space in here, then come back up, and we're going to sell the bottom edge of this red box here with a stop above here. Okay, let's go see what actually happened. We go back to here, and that was the EURCAD pair, and here is the hourly chart. And I wrote some things on so it's easier to find them. But price was up here. He wanted price to come down and come back up. Well, we had a little bit of space in here, but what happened instead is we had a swing break. This is called, you see this swing here? Can you tell that that's a fractal low, like a swing low? Pretty obvious, isn't it? And then price breaks it below it. That's a swing break. That's all it is. This isn't rocket science. Okay, we only have 3 patterns basically. We have swing breaks and rotations. I'll call that one. We have ACATs and we have set and forgets. ACATs are advanced candle action trades. All really good trades, I think, overall. Anyway, 156.37. Remember I said we front run by 2 pips? 156.35 is where you sell. It needed a 44 pip stop loss. This pair, by the way, is in a gigantic uptrend. I'll show you that in a minute. When price comes down and hits these levels, do you think this is a level that could be a reaction? You know, you got to use some, you got to understand this kind of stuff. When you hit opposing levels like this, take profit, right? This was more than a 3-to-1 reward risk trade. Okay, that's a fantastic profit on a trade like that. So now I want to show you something here. Actually, let me just show you this uptrend on this pair. A daily chart. Does that look like a downtrend to you? It's crazy. It's straight up. So and the week is the same way. So let's have a look here. And I want to now here's what I really want to show you here. This is the very best part of this thing, or one of the very best parts in my opinion. If we go back to these screenshots here, see this tab, Trade Management? Look what Darko did. Here's the Australian New Zealand dollar pair. Here's the EURCAD. This pound Swissy, by the way, never got filled. He was just showing that. Let me show you the Australian New Zealand dollar. Remember, I said filled to the pip. Go back and look at it. Like, don't take my word for it. He made this video way before price got here. Goes up. He's got this level mark. And we talk about rate live in the trading room too, so people can be on top of this. Comes down, and now it's bobbing around. And it actually came back down. And you see, once we had this first reaction here, we moved our stop up from here up to here and so on. This is all part of trade management. But I just wanted to show you how he shows everybody exactly how this trade should be managed or can be managed. I mean, we don't make people do whatever they do, what they can do what they want, right? But still, you got to have a proper way to do it. Remember this one here? I said we came down, price went back up, and then it went down again. We had this swing break. That's one of our patterns. This is where we sell right here, right? 156.35. It's all in advance. We can't make it up. It's recorded, right? Comes down. This is the level he was looking to take profit, 3.5 to 1. Okay. He says questionable background space. We're looking for a little bit different pattern, but it didn't set up. But what did set up was a swing break rotation. So that was probably just a swing break on that one. Okay. So to wrap it up, I just want you to know that our approach to trading and the patterns and the setups are doing as well as they ever have been, maybe even better. So if you're finding yourself with more free time on your hands with the coronavirus situation, maybe you could use the time to learn about trading. And I don't mean, you know, taking some gunslinging high-risk approach or taking on some stupid gambling mentality. We don't do that. There are other systems and services out there that will gladly take your money if that's what you want to do. But, you know, I hope you can see the value in having a consistent approach. We've been trading support resistance since 2006, and it just simply works. So I just wanted to show you that despite the fact that the general stock markets are crashing hard, what we do in trading foreign exchange still works like a charm. And actually, Darko, just to show you here, he actually posts information on commodities and indices as well, trade setups. So anyway, please hit the like button if you like this. Feel free to follow us and be sure to click that little bell when you do so that you'll be notified whenever I put out a new video. Finally, leave a comment. Let us know how you're doing in this environment, any issues you might be having, videos that you'd like to see, etc. Thanks so much, everyone. Take care.